Good morning, student. Welcome to the online class. Class 5 Social Studies. The lesson name is The Climate of India. Children, shall we look to our books, page number 74, The Climate of India. As India is a big country, it has a wide range of landforms like mountains, plateaus and plains. Children, what are landforms? The plateaus, mountains and plains. These affect the climate in various parts of the country. The lifestyle depends on the climate of the place one lives in. Climate is what? Where one person lives and its lifestyle, depending upon the change. There are some places where the climate is extremely hot, while the other it is very cold. Some places, children, it is hot, some places it is cold. There are some places that get heavy rainfall and there are others that do not get any rainfall for years. Some places get flood due to heavy rainfall, while some places are hit by droughts and famines due to little or no rainfall. So children, what is drought? Drought means a long period of time where there is no rains, when you don't have any rains. It is called drought. And famine, children, when there is scarcity of food, when large number of people don't get anything to eat, that is called famine. There are three main seasons in India: summer, monsoon and winter. Summer. Summer is in India begins in April and extends up to mid-June. From March onwards, the rays of the sun begins to fall on Indian subcontinent directly. The days become longer and nights shorter. The temperature rises slowly and continuously. By June, the extreme heat makes it difficult for the people living in plains to move out of their homes. The schools are closed for 2 months. Hot winds called Loo blows during the day. Dust storms are also common in desert region. Children, what is Loo? Loo is strong winds which blows during summer season. And what is dust storm? Which blows in the desert region. Some northern plain experience strong wind and hailstorm. Some places there is hail. Hail means snowfall. And winds are also blowing with that. When dry and moist air comes in contact with each other, this brings some relief from heat in the coastal plains. The weather is not very hot because of the cold season, sea breeze blowing in that area. Humidity is very high in this area because of the moisture in the atmosphere. What is humidity? The moisture in the air, when it is having lot of moisture. As these days we have humid weather, when there is extreme heat also and moisture is there, rainfall is there, so in the air there is lot of moisture, that causes humidity and it is very high. And then we have rainfall. When the humidity is high, then we have rainfall. The weather is cool in hilly region because the temperature falls with increase in height above the sea level. As you go towards the hill, it is pleasant. The weather is cool. And what all places? Many people from plains go to hilly areas like Mussoorie, Nainital, Shimla, Darjeeling, Ooty, Mount Abu, etc. The king of fruits, mango, is a special treat for this place. So, what all people go from plains to hill station? Mussoorie, Darjeeling, Nainital, Mount Abu, Shimla. These are the hill station which people from plains go to visit. And what is the fruit which comes during the summer season? Is the king of fruits, that is mango. Monsoon. We feel a sense of relief. Relief, children, feeling happiness when it rains after a hot summer. Right after summer, what season comes? Monsoon. We get little bit relief. The rainy season starts from coastal region in June and covers the whole of India by the middle of July. The wind blows from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal and carry a lot of moisture. The monsoon wind reached the Malabar coast in June. By the middle of July, the monsoon reached almost every part of our country. So, how do we have monsoons? when the winds from the west, from the Arabian Sea rises, and from the east, Bay of Bengal, when the winds are blowing towards the north, then we get rains, and first it reaches the coastal regions, the Malabar coast. So many parts of India, especially the western coast and the eastern coast and the northeastern, start receiving heavy rainfall. So which part of the country start receiving heavy rainfall, children? It is during near the eastern region and northeastern region. Farmers eagerly wait for the rains as their crops depend on rain. In some parts of the country, heavy rainfall causes flood. Some places receive little rainfall. This leads to drought. Rajasthan and Gujarat gets very little rainfall. Not only children, we want relief from rain, but the farmers are also waiting for the crops that they will be getting irrigated from the water which is coming through rains, and the farmers are happy that their crops will grow. And but some parts of the country do not receive rains, and that remains have become drought. And these are the places, Rajasthan and Gujarat, which get very little rainfall. Winter. From mid-November to mid-February, the whole of North India is in the grip of winter. It has short days and long nights. Summers we have long days and short night, but in winter short days, long night. This is the time when the sun rays don't strike the region directly because of the movement of the earth. The weather becomes cool. Heavy snowfall occurs in the Himalayas. What we have during winter? In the Himalayas, we are having snowfall. Heavy snowfall occurs in Himalaya. The cold wind comes from the mountains to the northern plain. Pleasant days and very cold nights are experienced in the desert area. South India experiences very mild winter. Children, some of the northern part is very extremely cold, and the desert is also very cold. But in the south, there is not so cold. It is mild. Mild means very slight cool temperature we are having. Occasional shower bring down the temperature further. So little bit of rainfall bring the cold temperature down. During the months of February and March, we have spring season. In this season, new leaves and flowers blooms on the tree. This season has a very pleasant weather, so people enjoy outdoor life. Not only we have summer, monsoon and winter, we have one more season, that is called spring season. And in this season, it began from Feb to March, in which the plants bloom, the flowers comes out, everything is so pleasant, the weather is pleasant, people enjoy going out. So children, here we conclude our lesson, and I hope you will go through the question and answers, exercises in your notebooks, and read the lesson and watch the video carefully. So children, let's take a little recap of what is the climate of India. The three main seasons of India are summer, monsoon and winter. Summer begins from April to mid-June, monsoon June to July, and winter mid-November to mid-February. So children, I hope you have understood. Thank you children. We will meet in the next video. Bye.